Welcome to PFTV. Ke na le Buti Emmanuel game ya today o bone jwang?
Game ya today ne le monate. But I'm worried because re feditse di goal mo ene di goal tse re tlo di nyaka on the second.
On Tuesday.
Yes.
On second one.
Once you advance.
Come again?
No, okay, once you advance, the goal tse re tlo di need.
Yeah, re tlo di need. On Tuesday.
Not really advance. On Tuesday.
Tlo di
Yeah,
nyaka.
on Tuesday we are here again.
Yeah. You must blame that to Mbutuma le Moremi. And then performance of Moremi yona o bone jwang?
No, the performance of Moremi, it was 100%. And I saw the guy is the best. He's doing well. He's doing well. Marvelous. And
After that incident,
Yeah.
we won't talk about it. Yeah, he's doing well.
I heard that incident or batho ba ne ba mpua ne le di Kaizer Chiefs fan ne se Orlando Pirates
Maybe
fan.
it was Kaizer Chiefs fans, not us.
Eh,
Because now we don't do that. If it was us, thanks to those people who did that. Look at him now.
Look at him now.
Ah.
Blessing in disguise. And then we saw Tito Masongani, Master Chef, le Masindi combining beautiful touches, man. How beautiful was that?
my bra, we can talk anything about Masanganye. Masanganye is a game changer. They will be there, us as a fans, not agree what he's doing on the field, ne? Because of a performance of the player. But through the game, you will realize that Masanganye is another person.
He's the best.
He's the best.
Number 10.
I agree with you. I can say the number 10.
Number 10
Yeah,
was
and then
there.
re bone le Ndaba coming in for Tionoto. Performance ya Ndaba yona o bone jwang?
Actually, we don't have a substitute. According to me, we don't have a substitute. We have a game change. All the players that are coming from the bench, they are making everything 100%. They are making sure that they are changing the game.
All right, no thanks Pagania. Bopa.